Today I have such a great pleasure to present you my scientific research paper titled Angel Scene, the Carol as a Sign in the Space of Boycott Traditional Culture. The research consists of an introduction to chapters, conclusions, and appendices. The list of references includes 31 sources. The aim of my research is to provide a comprehensive analysis of symbolic nature of the caroling in a historical perspective and in the modern era. The boycott cultural landscape reflects the historical and cultural development of caroling and highlights its unique place in Ukrainian culture. To achieve this aim, I have set the following tasks. To determine the place of the carol in folk tradition, to analyze carols as a complex cultural sign and identify their main dimensions, to examine the origin of the term carol, to show that carols belong to the ritual song traditions of the boycott people, to describe the cultural features of traditional boycott carols, and to outline the development of caroling in Ukraine in the context of modern events. The relevance of this research lies in introducing the international community to the achievements of Ukrainian folk art and in preserving the authenticity of our culture. The novelty of this research is a deeper understanding of caroling as a cultural sign in ritual traditions and its role in shaping our national identity. The object of the study is the carol as a sign within the cultural space, while the subject is its code, informational, and cultural dimensions. The research was based on the works by folklorists and cultural researchers, as well as the corpus of carols. The theoretical basis of the research project is the scientific principles of cultural sign analysis presented in the works of both domestic and international scholars. The main methods used were theoretical and empirical methods, in particular the method of theoretical specification, the general scientific method of observation, and the specific method of scientific interpretation. The project was carried out in the field of folkloristics. Its scientific basis is science theory and semiotics, especially Charles Peirce's idea of sign action known as semiosis. The focus of this research is the semiotics nature of the carol, namely its three dimensions: code, informational, and cultural. The ancient carol Господаренька нова світленька was analyzed within each of these dimensions. In the code dimension, it is an example of traditional folk poetry with a clearly expressed rhythm structure. In the informational dimension, the analysis is based on the knowledge of mythological beliefs of our ancestors, while in the cultural dimension, it reflects the harmony between the forces of nature and the divine principle. The appendices includes the interview with ethnographer Mikhailo Melnikovich and writer Halina Litzer-Shedey, as well as the information about my participation in an ethnographic group called Afane. All this information can be reached via this QR code, which is provided on the poster. In conclusion, the carol is a unique sign in ritual culture and can be seen as a kind of genetic code of the nation. An effective method of studying carol's texts is linguistic semiotic interpretation. Studying their sign nature helps preserve authentic culture and strengthen the connection between generations. And right now, I would like to share our traditional Ukrainian carol with you. Господаронька, нова світлонька, славен єси наш милий Божий на небесі. Нова світлонька, нові столи, славен єси наш милий Божий на небесі. А на тих столах три свічки горить, славен єси наш милий Божий на небесі. Traditio lampada non adorazione cinerum. Traditions is not the worship of ashes, but the poverty of fire. Gustav Mahler. That's it. Thank you for your attention. And also, I would like to represent you with one really special gift, which brings the Ukrainian spirit in its sound. And right now, I'm talking about our traditional instrument, which is called sopilka. This sopilka was made by Taras Loshak, who is a husband of my teacher of German language, and she is also my research supervisor, and she helped me with this research. So this gift comes from both of us, and we hope that it will bring you the memory about our Ukrainian traditions and about this day which you will have experienced today.
Ну, телевізор покажи, щоб я потім заставив.
Like this.
Ага, ну, дай сюди. Вона грає?
Так.
Це професійно. Це використовується в оркестрах, вона професійна.
And it's like a present for you.
Використовують майстерші. Напевно, що. Ну, thank you very much.